Master, Master, time to wake up.
I want to sleep. 5 more minutes. It's too early.
Wake up. Wake up.
It's another beautiful day. Wake up. Look, the sun is up. Getting up early makes me feel fresh and happy. Let's start a great day.
Good morning, Leo. I know your bed is warm and cozy, but do you know? A great day is waiting for you to discover it.
But I'm so sleepy.
I know, sweetie, but it's time to start the day.
Come on, Leo. If you get up now, we can have more time to play. It's like a race against time. Okay, you're right. You are always so fast, Mia.
Leo, pajamas have a long journey every night. They need to rest in the closet. Could you help them find their way home?
Like this, Leo, it's like a little game for our room. When the room is tidy, we both feel happy. Oh, I see. I'll take them home now. Sorry, Mom. You are the best helper, Mia. Let's go! Breakfast is waiting! Just a little bit, Leo. Leo, slow down. Focus on your teeth. Brush every corner.
Mia, you're so thorough. Leo, try to follow her pace.
Like this? Up and down slowly? Perfect. You're better.
Good habits are fun.
Leo, look! The water is running away. It feels sad. Oh? Why is it sad?
Because every drop of water has a journey, Leo. When it's wasted, it can't finish its work.
I understand. Saving water is caring for the earth. Ugh, broccoli again? These are not trees, Leo. They are right.
Right. Super colors gives you strength trees. Super streams. Guys. That's right. Eating colors gives you different powers.
Look. Me supervision. Really? What about the Reggie juice? Supervision. Really, full up the Reggie tomatoes to keep you running fast. It's not bad. It actually tastes strong. We are super powered now.
Leo, how was school today?
Leo, it was fun, Dad. We played soccer today.
That sounds great. Who scored the goal?
Leo, family time is the best time. Leo, family time is the best time for sharing.
Sorry, Dad. Can you tell me more about soccer? Bounce, bounce, bounce! Look at that! Look at my skills. Leo, stop. Dad is working. The living room is for everyone.
That's right. Respecting others' space is a great habit.
Oh, I'm sorry, Dad. I didn't mean to bother you.
It's okay, Leo. Just go outside if you want to play basketball.
Okay, I'll put it away. Outside is better. I'm going to watch TV.
Here is some fresh fruit for...
Be careful, Mom. Are you okay?
I'm okay, but toys on the floor are hidden traps, Leo.
I'm so sorry, Mom. Everything in its place.
I'm sorry, Mom. I shouldn't leave them here.
Everything in its place. Just a minute. I'm busy.
Oh, Max is hungry. Let's feed him on time, Leo.
Pets depend us. Taking care on them is our responsibility. All All done. Food is gone.
Leo, look at the floor. Is this where the trash goes?
Littering hurts the earth, and it can hurt Max too if he eats it. Oh no, I forgot about the trash. I'm sorry, Max. I'm sorry, Mom. Responsibility. They makes us better. Go run, Max. Enjoy your freedom.
Leo, there are little kids ahead. Max must be on a leash.
Oh, don't worry. Max is friendly. He just wants to play. Leo, this is I am so sorry. I didn't mean to scare you. Not everyone to scare you. I was wrong. Leo, a good pet owner always cleans up after their dog. This is our public space.
Exactly, Mia. Respecting public places keeps everyone happy and safe.
I'm sorry. I should be responsible. I've got it. Keep our park clean and green.